tire salesman, you own a monster truck, you trying to get your tires fixed, because you trying to go run over some cars. All right? Are we ready?
Yep.
And action. All right. That was amazing. What was the pivotal moment that happened? And I'll give you a hint. It was something Henry did. Initially, it was dun, 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 I'm showing you. And then essentially, he changed to and almost like a compromise was trying to happen while Layla stayed consistent with hers. This is what I need. This is what I need. And then it was almost like you instinctually said, okay, well, let me figure this out. I have this. Can we come up to a deal?